Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be working with Coleen Hair Company. It came with this wig cap. It also came with a pair of lashes. So the wig that I am installing today is a 5x5 kinky curly wig in 24 inches. This is how the lace closure looks. It also comes with a band attached to it that you can adjust, and it comes with 3 clips. And this is also a wig that can be worn glueless, or you can use freezing spray as well, which is still considered glueless because it's not glue. So right now I'm just using water and a mist spray bottle just to define the curls. I like to drench my curly wigs whenever I spray them, just so that I know that I'm getting every single strand. And I'm using a denim brush as well to detangle those curls. So after I like to detangle with the water, I also like to use mousse to set those curls in place so that my curls can last all day and won't frizz up. So as you can see, this wig turned out beautiful. The kinky curls are so full and voluptuous, of course. Super, super, super kinky curly wig. Showing you guys a little bit of a side view. Super bouncy. Then I'll show you guys like a back view. So if you guys would like to purchase this wig, I will put the description in the bio below, so that you guys can get whichever length you like. But I love, 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 love these curls. Super kinky curly and super natural looking. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.